Welcome back to Zackus. We've got another install video for you. It's all about the Nest Doorbell Hello. I know you want to see this. I know you want to see how it's installed. Here we go. My parents' Ring doorbell, the Ring Pro, stopped working. And I think we found out that it wasn't Ring. It was because they disconnected one of their Google Wi-Fi points, not realizing how important it was, and then got frustrated because the Ring wasn't working and took it off. Anyways, we got the Nest Costco deal where it came with the Nest Doorbell, the Google Home Mini, and a year subscription. All the links will be down in the description below as always. So I just want to get right into this install. I wanted to show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. It took us about 15 minutes, I think. They showed us a really cool video, but we had installed the Ring and it's very similar. And so you just hook it up to the doorbell and then detach your doorbell if you have one at the door, and then you just simply screw in the plate. And they give you an extra plate too that we use to kind of angle the camera. You can angle it in or out, so you get a little bit better view, and it kind of gives you some depth too. And they have a metal door, so it gave a little bit of depth to clear that. And so we screwed that in. You connect in the two wires and you push in the Nest, clips in. It comes with a little tool to get it out if you need to get it out for any reason. It started spinning. Then you open up the app and it walks you through everything, and as you're doing all this, and then when it starts spinning, it's ready to connect to your Wi-Fi, do some tests, and you're off and going. And it takes about 24 to 48 hours for the Nest Aware to kick in, for the year subscription to kick in. And then it's about, for your first Nest, it's $50 a year, and then any other Nest is about $30. There's all kinds of different plans. That's just the middle of the road plan. You can pay like $100 and get like 30 days, or 50 for 10 days, and I think 30 for 5 days for your first one. And then they discount any other Nest you have, because we have one over there front driveway and in the backyard. It just makes them feel better. It makes us feel better that if anything happens, there's something there. So now that you've seen all of that, I'm gonna walk you through the app. It's pretty simple. I mean, Nest is really easy to set up. It immediately starts searching for the device that you've selected. It finds it. It says it's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi. It's going to show you the video so you can see the feed, which you can see now. Where Ring only captures when motion happens, Nest is always recording. That's the huge difference for me. Like sometimes Ring would catch things and you'd miss little pieces in the front or back end that might be important to you, where Nest is always recording, and you get to keep either 5, 10, or 30 days depending on the package you pick. And that's just really nice because you can just kind of scroll through, you know, and just see what's happening at any given time on the app or on the browser. That's pretty much it. That's Nest Doorbell. I hope this helps you. Any questions you guys ask in the comments below, I'm really good about responding. And there'll be more stuff down in the description below too if you need any help with that. But it's pretty simple. There's usually just 2 wires in the top of your doorbell in your house, and there's 2 wires at the doorbell by the door. And there's the little round thing that I already showed you, but that's really simple to install in your house, and it usually fits inside the box or right outside the box. And that just allows Nest to actually ring your doorbell and get some power through that to kind of increase the power for it. And yeah, you don't need a lot of Wi-Fi. Of course, the faster the speed of your Wi-Fi and the better your router you have, and the strength of that is going to always be a huge help. And again, I'll put the link down in the description below. If you don't have one, you're on the fence about it, you can look at it. Thank you again for watching Zackus. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe button. It's right below the video. It's free to do so. Cancel at any time. We love you being part of our family, and you'll get notified first when we come out with new videos. Hey, Merry Christmas. Thank you. Bye.